Hey, Ivan.
Hey, Veldin.
Do you know why chickens are so funny?
I'm not sure. Why?
Because
That's funny. But now it's time to get serious.
the Arcadia model was just finished, and it's part of our luxury collection.
Let's check it out. Take a look at this incredible pool.
Thanks for watching our video. Again, this is the Arcadia model. It was just finished, and we have more inventory coming up. If you're interested to see what we have coming up, give me a call today, or shoot me a text or email, and let's start looking together. Have an excellent day.